Hi, this is Jackie, and today I'm going to teach you how to count in Tagalog. So, my previous video, I taught you how to greet, but in this video, I'm going to teach you how to count in Tagalog. First, we're going to do in English and then in Tagalog. So, in English, it's one. It's one. So, one. And then in Tagalog, it's isa. So, isa. Again, English, one. Tagalog, isa. Okay, so next is the number 2. English, two. Two. In Tagalog, it's dalawa. 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 Again, English is 2. Tagalog is dalawa. Dalawa. Okay. Next is, I'm going to teach you how to do the number 3. Okay? So, in Tagalog, in English, this is 3. 3. You can say it 3. In Tagalog, you can say tatlo. Again, tatlo. Tatlo. It means 3. Okay? Next is 4. English, 4. Tagalog, apat. 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 4. Again, let's do it. 1, isa. 2, dalawa. 3, tatlo. 4, apat. Okay, you get it? I'm sorry, it's just 1 to 4 right now so that you will not get overwhelmed. So I'm going to teach you how to do the 5 to 10 next video. Thank you.